Hello friends, in the last session we completed literals concept. Okay, in this session we will discuss about what are the 1.7 version enhancements with respect to literals. Okay friends, 1.7 version enhancements with respect to literals. Okay. Two new concepts are added in 1.7 version with respect to literals. Okay, the first one, binary literals. This is only for integral literals. Okay friends. Okay, for integral literals until 1.6 version we can specify literals in three ways. Okay friends, for integral literals until 1.6 version we can specify literals in three ways. What they are? First one, decimal form. Second one, octal. Third one, hexadecimal. Okay, from 1.7 version we can specify literals even in binary form also. From 1.7 version even in binary form also. Okay, the allowed digits for the binary form is 0 and 1. Okay friend, the allowed digits are 0 and 1. Okay, literals should be prefixed with 0 small b or 0 capital B. Okay friends, literals should be prefixed with 0 small b or 0 capital B. Okay, let's see the example. Listen carefully friends. Example, int x is equal to 0 b 1 1 1 1. Okay, if you print the x, we will get output as the value is 15. Okay, here compiler will convert binary form into decimal form. Okay friends, compiler will convert binary form into decimal form and produces the output. Okay friends. Okay, the next concept, what is the second one? Usage of underscore symbol in numeric literals. Okay, this concept applicable for both integral literals and floating point literals. Okay friends. Okay, listen carefully. Okay, what is the value? Okay, what is this value? Okay, listen carefully. What is this value? 1 crore 1 lakh 10,110. Okay, what is this value? 1 crore 1 lakh 10,101. Okay, while comparing these two, this code is simply understandable while comparing this one. Okay friends. Okay, the readability of second code is more easy while comparing the first code. Okay friends. Okay, we can use underscore symbol in numeric literals. Okay friends, we can use underscore symbol in numeric literals. Okay, let's see the example. Double D is equal to 123.456.789. double D is equal to 1 underscore 23 underscore 456 dot 7 underscore 8 underscore 9. Okay friends, we can use underscore. Okay friends, we can use underscore between the digits in numeric literals. Okay friends, okay, what is the main purpose by using the underscore symbol? Okay, the main advantage of this purpose is the readability will be improved. Okay friends, the main purpose of this approach is the readability will be improved. Okay, okay, listen carefully. Okay, at the time of compilation these underscore symbols will be removed. Okay friends, at the time of compilation these underscore symbols will be removed automatically. Okay, and hence after compilation this code will become okay friends, after compilation this code will become 12345.789. okay, at the time of compilation these underscore symbols will be removed automatically, and hence after compilation this code will become this one. Okay friends, okay, listen carefully. Okay, double D is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 dot 7 double D is equal to okay, these are valid or not? Okay, 100% these are valid, because at the time of compilation these underscore symbols will be removed automatically, so we can use more than one underscore symbols between the digits. Okay friends, we can use more than one underscore symbol between the digits. Okay, listen carefully. Double D is equal to okay, these are valid or not? Listen carefully, these are valid or not? These are invalid, because we can use underscore symbol between the digits only. Okay friends, we can use underscore symbol between the digits only. Okay, if we are using anywhere else, we will get compile time error. Okay friends, if you are using anywhere else we will get compile time error. Okay, this is unnecessary use, and this one also unnecessary use, and this one also. Okay friends, we can use underscore symbol between the digits only. Okay friends, okay, okay, listen carefully. Byte. Okay, can I assign byte value to sort? Yes, it's possible, because sort is 2 bytes, byte is 1 byte, so we can assign byte value to the sort type. Okay, can I assign sort to int? Yes, we can assign, because int is 4 bytes, so we can assign char 2 bytes, so we can assign char to int. Okay, next long. Can I assign int value to as long type? Yes, is possible, because long 8 bytes. Can I assign long to float? It's also possible. it's a 4 bytes. Can I send float to double? It's possible. Double 8 bytes. Okay. Here everyone got confused. How it's possible? Long is 8 bytes, float is 4 bytes. Okay, how it's possible? Okay, listen carefully. It's possible because both are following different memory representation. Okay friends, so we can assign long values to the float type because both are following different memory representation. Example, float f is equal to 10 L s open f. What is the output? 10.0. Okay friends, these two are the newly added concepts in literals. Okay friends, thanks for watching and do subscribe for more videos and other computer courses and keep supporting us.